Let's get to that market reaction to PPI and what's happening with inflation. The producer price index fell to 8% from 8.4% in September. Any nudge lower is considered moving in the right direction. Let's bring in Tim Biggam, at Delta Derivatives. And the stock market certainly likes this encouraging news about inflation, Tim.
I think the inflation numbers fueled, the first part of the rally we've seen, but recently we're seeing earnings actually coming in above expectations, especially, from the big retailers, the Walmarts of the world. So we're finally getting, inflation easing off a little bit more, 10-year yield well below 4%, and we're getting better than expected earnings as earnings season comes to a close here. So not a bad spot for stocks. How long it continues is the million-dollar question.
What are you watching in the retail sector now that we've heard from Walmart?
Yeah, certainly Walmart has led the charge. Target, will come out down the road. But Amazon also, when you look at the price action on that, it was trading under 86 not too long ago, now well over 100. So that one has rallied strongly as well. So I think a lot of these stocks have had their rally. I think going forward, it'll be tougher to have that same magnitude of rally. So I'm still cautiously bullish, although probably at less of a pace than we saw off the lows recently.
What's your trade of the day, Tim?
Looking at repeat call buying on Melco Resorts, MLCO, and the out-of-the-money December call. So someone has been acquiring these over the past certainly several days in size. So I'm following along because they're overpaying for these. I'm buying the stock, which is still well under $8, selling these out-of-the-money calls, which are inflated to lean bullishly with that call buyer, but capture the fact they're willing to overpay, and I'm certainly willing to sell into that overpayment.
Have a great rest of your trading week, Tim.
You bet, anytime, Ange. Take care.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.